Hi everyone, it's Denise with Wondubar Crafts. Today I'm back. I got some happy mail. Anyway, and I got a new camera set up. So my wonderful father sent me a gift card, and I used that to buy a brand new camera setup. So no more iPad. Hopefully, since this one connects directly to my computer, I can maybe go and do some more lives and do some other things too. So I'm excited. I'd love to know what you guys think about the picture, the quality. Maybe I need to raise it up or pull it down further. I don't know. It's, all experimental when you get something new. But today has been a rainy day off and on. It's been cooling down, which is awesome because we have had some like 90-degree weather. It's been muggy and hot, and today is nice and cool, but it is rainy. And then I got this package in the mail, and it just brightened my day completely. I don't care about the rain. I don't care. It's just so lovely. And I went to open it, and I kind of did a little peeky poo in there to see kind of a little bit about what's in there, and I'm excited. But this came from my lovely friend. She's a wonderful, beautiful, caring, giving, and loving person, Tammy, from my world in OKC. So hi, Tammy. I got your package. Thank you. It was a wonderful random act of kindness. So let's take a peek and see what's inside, okay? Let me move this out of the way. And I haven't taken all of it out. I just kind of opened it to this point and kind of seen what was in it. And I'm like, oh, look, it's pink stuff. Sent me a card. Let's see. Oh, and it's, oh, look, it's got the pink butterflies. I love it. It's pink. She said, enjoy my sweet friend. Big hugs, Tammy from OKC. Thank you, Tammy. I can see I already like it. It's got pink stuff in it. We got some pink stickers with elephants, and it says crush it, and pineapples, and I'm going to have to figure out something cute to use those with. And it looks like a little planner or journal. Let's take a look and see. Hopefully I'm not out of frame, because I do have to turn around and look because my computer is back behind me. So I may have to raise it up a little bit so the view is bigger. Oh yeah, look, the little journaling pad. Awesome. I love it because I can keep all my notes in here. In fact, I'm going to keep it out of the package so I have a place to, because I like to write down all my little notes and stuff when I'm making my digital kits and that. And then got me this cute little notebook. Oh, I like that. It matches the other one, the papers on it. I love it. It's got pink polka dots on it, pink and gold, rose gold. Love it. Move it. Oh no. She sent me avocado. She keeps telling me I'm the avocado queen. She has named me. She said, that's my name, avocado queen. It says, let's avocado. Oh my gosh, that's too cute. Oh, look. And she sent me cuteness inside. Another little avocado pouch. So I'll have to keep little things in there, like my avocado notes and stuff. And then cute little bracelets. Oh, I like those. It's got like a little infinity sign on it. I like those. Ooh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. That's okay. I have pliers and I can fix. Oh no. Aw. Okay. First faux pas from Happy Mail. It was bound to happen at some point. Now I'm trying to find all the little beads. See, I got them all. Okay. We'll fix it. We'll fix it. I have supplies to fix. I can fix. Okay. Sorry. Oh my gosh, I feel horrible. Gosh. Oh my goodness. Look at all this in here. All this ribbon. Oh, she knows I like ribbon. Look at this. Purples. Like different shades. Oh, wow. And this is like old ribbon. Ooh, and some green. Ooh, that red and green is going to look good for like Christmas stuff. Oh, we got a couple more beads down in here. Well, it's a good thing it happened over the box. So they didn't go. I still can't believe I did that. Ah, she's probably over there shaking her head going, oh my God, Denise. Oh, Lord. I needed a good giggle today anyway. And look at this. This is like, it's almost like a green, but it's like really old. And wow, look at this. It's got wire in it, but that's okay because this, you can cut that wire off or you can cut around it and still use it. Wow, that's a lot. That's a lot. I'll be sharing some of that too. Look at this. I love this green because it's, you could use it almost like in a almost like a summery sea kind of green, or you could use it in fall. I like that. Oh my God, there's more of it. And then more white ribbon. And more. Oh my gosh, woman. When she said, I'm going to send you some ribbon. Geez. That's a lot. Oh, I like this sheer too. Look. Oh, yeah. Ooh, the possibilities. I wonder if it would take avocado dye. I bet that would be pretty with some of this with like that blush pink color. Ooh, yeah. Some of this stuff too might even avocado dye really well. I'm going to have to test it. I'm going to have to test it. Look at that. That beautiful sheer. Oh my gosh, and black ribbon. Black ribbon is not that easy. I mean, you can find it, but typically it's like Halloween stuff, you know what I mean? It's like, or it's like white and black polka dotted, but you don't typically find, at least I can't around here, a lot of black. I like that. Ooh, I like this green too. Purties. Ooh, fuzzies. Fuzzy, fuzzy. Ooh, it's on like a wire too. Ooh, I like that. Ooh, the possibilities. Oh, yeah, and it's sparkly. It's kind of got like a, I don't know if you can see it, but it's kind of got sparkly stuff. Oh my gosh, look at this. It's got it, and it does have wire, which I like because, you know, sometimes when you, even when you, this thin wire, you put it on a tag, it'll still attach, but then you can like rumple it up or, you know, make like little, you don't even really have to do a, of course it works better if I cut the piece, but you could like almost do like a, almost like you would a stitch and then make it go all the way around and make like a little ruffly flower with it. Look at all this with it, like the checkers on them. There's still stuff in here. Oh my gosh, where do you get all this ribbon, woman? Oh, like 2 more beads down here. I'm gonna put those over there and fix that. And I like this. It's almost like a mauve. Well, it is mauve actually. Pretty, pretty. Oh, and we got another bead down here. Ooh. But I busted it good, didn't I? What is this? Oh, this is the red hat stuff she was telling me about. I love it. I like that. Look at all the patterns on there. How cute is that? That would make a cute journal, like a red hat journal. Yeah. Awesome. Thank you, Miss Tammy. And I will be sharing, too, in some of my happy mail going out. Yay. She's so sweet. If you guys haven't, you guys probably know who she is, but if you haven't seen her, she is My World in OKC. And I will link her here. And then again below also. Oh my God, this box. How did you fit all this in here? Oh my goodness. I'm going to have to fix that bracelet when I get done. Okay. So we got some happy mail. And because the last couple days it's been kind of hot and muggy, I've been kind of sitting here trying to figure out, you know, working a little bit more on the journal. And I've got like this whole pouch of ephemera ready to go in it. And these are my tip-in pages. And I've got a little bit more ephemera I want to do because I will be doing a zipper pouch with it and stuff like that. But okay, for those of you who know, I don't typically celebrate Halloween or Christmas. And people are like, what? Well, you know, it's my own personal reasons. It's not that I'm opposed to it, because I am not. And I don't just, you know, condemn or have bad wishes or anything like that for anyone who does. I just don't. But I like some of the crazy colors that come with Halloween and the patterns and stuff like that. So what I did was I just loaded a new Halloween. It's not a kit. It's just background pages. So you could use it for backing tags or in, you know, journal pages in a Halloween, or if you journal, or if you were going to let's say, I don't know, make some treat bags or something like that. You could use some different papers in there. So and I know that sometimes when you go and you buy Halloween specific stuff, it can get pricey. So I priced this very reasonably. It's like $2.99 normal, and it is in my sale listing, so it's half off until the end of the month. And there are 10 pages, and what I did was, and hopefully it's not like too blurry and, ow, see, there we go. I've got to fix the angle, I think. I'm going to have to figure it out, but you guys can help me out and let me know what you think. So what I did was just an orange with some black polka dots. I did a green one with some checker pattern, some like diamond checker pattern. This one is yellow with a red, like a deep red checker pattern. Kind of looks like, reminds me of like candy corn for some reason. I don't know. And then I did this one on Tea Stained. It's a retro. It's got the retro pumpkin and kitty cat. I remember this kitty cat from way back in the day. And I just thought that would be like a fun little page, you know, just like a journal page or something that you could slip in. And then I did this one. It's got pumpkin and kitty with a pumpkin. And then this one should have gone up here. I thought there was another polka dot. This one's green with green polka dots on purple background. And then I did do some more like a signature, I guess, slip in, or you could cut it and use it in tags or whatever. It's not a kit. I'm not going to have an add-on for it. It's just something I just kind of put together because I wanted some papers, you know, to do. I'm going to do a couple little crafts. A friend of mine, her kids do Halloween, and I do still give, you know, I don't do it at the door, but I do for friends and stuff, give little, you know, Halloween packs or whatever. So that's what I wanted to do. So I made it and figured, well, okay, maybe somebody else might want it as well. But I did this one. It's got the little kid pumpkin heads and a pumpkin head witch on a broomstick. And then this one's got some spider webbing and a spider. I know some people don't like spiders, and that's okay. And these cute little cats, these retro cats. And I thought they were kind of cute. I like that moon in the background. And then this one I did, it's got like a witch with a little black cat and like an old Victorian haunted looking house and some eyes staring at you in the background. And then the script actually is how to it's like the cure for a dog bite script in there. I thought that was fitting. And then this one's a little bit maybe more steampunky style. It's got some diamond pattern and some script within the diamonds and some skulls. So that's it. There's 10 pages, something very simple. Hopefully it has a mixture. It's kind of eclectic because I wanted a mixture. So, you know, if you wanted some just background pages or some decorative, like kind of like a scrapbooking style page, you could have that, or a journaling page. So there's a few in there. So that is listed in my Etsy right now. So hopefully I won't have any issues trying to get this video up, because like I said, a new camera, new system also means a new platform to edit my videos, because I used to use iMovie. Now I'm going to have to use a different platform altogether because it's going through my PC now, so, which is not a Mac. So hopefully I'll be able to get this up tonight at some point. Hopefully it won't be too bad for y'all. So, but until next time, I hopefully will be back earlier in the week to try and do some more, finish up this journal. Like I said, I've got a couple more ephemera pieces I want to do on it. Then I'll be ready to do the spine and then sew the signatures in, and it will be just about ready. So until then, guys, plenty of love, hugs, and blessings. Bye.